video, we will be interviewing my friend
Riza.
Yes. Okay. So welcome to our channel, Reese.
Thank
She's
you.
actually she's actually my friend since we were young, right?
Yes.
Yes. She's from the province of Bicol. Okay. She's a province girl and she's single. She's single and ready to. She doesn't wanna. Okay. So how old are you, Reese?
I'm turning 25 this month, April 20.
Happy birthday! Okay. So, do you have kids?
No, I don't have.
Okay. But you want to have a kids in the future, right?
Yes, I want to. Like, kids are awesome.
Perfect. Yep, it is. Okay, so can you tell me about your educational background and what's your job right now?
Yeah, like, I graduated, my college degree was, I graduated 2018, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. And my current job right now is as a recruitment coordinator. I didn't really pursue teaching. So I goes with as a recruitment coordinator.
Her job is actually the best because she's working.
Yeah, I'm currently working at home.
Yeah, that's like most of people wants to, right?
Yes, it is, especially at this situation, like since the pandemic started. Yeah, one of the advantages to be working at home, you don't have to risk your health, and then traffic. That's it. It's been easier, much easier.
And you can actually work with your pajama on.
Yeah. And sometimes I just wake up, I'm just from a long sleep, and then my alarm been just ringing, so I have to just get up and open my laptop, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything.
Just like what happened last night, remember? I was like, because she's been staying with us for like how many days now?
Been here last Sunday.
It's been like 3 days. She's been here. And then last night I was like, oh my god, it's Riza's, her job, her work is gonna start soon. But it's still she was very tired. She was sleeping.
Because we're roaming around.
Yeah.
We came home late, and I take a nap, and it's 9 p.m. already. I have to start job, and I just woke up. My alarm been ringing. I don't know.
She has her pajama on. She's working already. Go like yeah.
And I have to on the laptop and start working, or I'll be late. That's that. It's already working at home, and you're already late.
Yes. Okay. So what kind of woman are you? Stay at home or someone that likes to go out a lot?
I'm actually both. Yes, I am. Because sometimes I'd like to go out, then partying. Just socializing with the person, and then going out with friends in a late night. It's fun to do, especially when you're young. And then sometimes I just love to be at home, staying in bed, just laying, watching Netflix, sleeping.
And eating.
Yes, eating. That's always there. Yeah, it's fun sometimes.
Okay, so would you date a foreigner?
Yes.
Why?
I think yes, because I can't tell the reason why, but because I'd like to be talking and getting to know someone who has a different perspective than me. I'd love to have that conversation when we have something to discuss with. It's time to argue, and sometimes not.
Yes.
I think it's just the opposite attracts. I think. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I believe in that. I think yeah.
Why does your husband have some opposite
Well,
traits?
I guess it's because me, I'm more like, I think hyper, something like that. But my husband is more like a calmer person, like that.
Yeah.
Me, I like to talk. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, I am.
Filipino women is always like
Exactly.
we love to talk.
Just like right now, my husband told me if if I want to use the microphone, but I was like, I think the little one is fine. And then my husband was like, I think you should be good without microphone. And then she was asking me about Riza if her voice is loud. I said, yeah, she's loud.
We're both loud.
So we're not using microphone. I think most of Bicolanos, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, from Bicol. I think most of people here, women, they're loud.
Or we just get used to shouting. When we were kids, like playing somewhere, like in the province.
It's something like you're not mad, but to others you sound like you are.
Yes. They always mistook it.
Yep.
Like we're mad.
So do you see yourself with older men, like older than your age,
Like
that?
dating them.
Yeah.
Yes, I actually prefer men that is older than me because they are mature to handle relationship. Yeah, because I'm not really saying that men that is younger me took relationships too immature or they're not really taking good care of it. They're not committed. But sometimes men who's older than me, like they're matured enough. Like they want something that is serious, and women want serious relationship. Yes.
Okay. So are you open to having a LDR, long distance relationship, and at the same time, let's say your husband in the future would just visits here from time to time because of job, from abroad. He has job abroad, like that.
Yes, I'm fine with it. Like long distance relationship, if he has to stay in his place because of his job, and for some reason, of course, yes, it's fine with me. And then I'll stay here because I have my job as well. Oh, and it's fine for as long as we stay committed. He's loyal. And we trust each other, and communication is always there. It's fine with me.
Yes, communication is the key.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so I'm asking these questions because not just for the viewers, for the future viewers and our viewers right now, but because my husband has, friends that are planning to come over, visits, and let's say they're going to comment, okay, and then they're gonna ask you, out on a date, would you go?
So I know where's this going. I know where is it. Okay, my friend is selling me out right now. So I think it's fine. I'm single and I'm fine with it. It's fine with me, like getting to know new people. It's fine, like going out and go a date. It's okay with me.
I was telling her earlier before we start this video that I'm not selling her, but it would be nice if my husband's friends, like find you attractive, or like, who knows, in the future you fall in love with him, he fall in love with you, and then it would be nice to have a like going out, like on a double date or something like that. When there's occasions, we're gonna be together, our kids are gonna grow together, like us, we grew
together, and then our kids to start having the same.
Yeah,
That's actually
but
nice.
if that time comes, Amara is already big, our baby.
Oh yeah, Amara is big now.
So I'm telling her to go look for a husband because Amara is getting older, It would be nice if she will have a daughter as well. Okay, so which country would you prefer to live, here in the Philippines or abroad in the future?
I think for me, I'd love to stay here. It's where my family is. I'm near to my family, and I'm actually love being there because this is my comfort zone. I can do whatever I want.
Okay.
And I'm near from them. I feel safe. Maybe that's the reason why I go back to the province than staying in Manila, living there alone. But if the time that I have to go for my husband or for my family have to go to another country, it's fine actually for me. Yeah, because it's my family, I have to prioritize them first.
Oh, that's very nice. I love that one. Okay. For the next question, what makes you a good wife in the future?
A good wife. I don't know, that's too big to describe a good wife is, because every wife is good. Like they do certain things, but if it means I have to be it's about taking care of your family, putting them first, being devoted, being open, like being your family as a sanctity of your of everything. I think yes. I'd be willing to be a good wife.
I think you will, because she's a really good what do you call it, like friend, a good person. She has a big heart as well, and then just like what we talked about the other day, that we were talking about families, and then at this time she's like let's say the breadwinner, right? Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yeah, I'm a breadwinner in the
Yeah, right now. Because she's earning good too, right?
I think it's just enough for my family, because I don't know, maybe it's just that they have to. It doesn't mean that my family like oblige me to do those things.
Oh yes, I know,
But because family is family.
yes, that's right.
We gave them something. It's part of Filipino culture as well, right? But sometimes it's good when you have something that you just give it to them.
It's not like they really ask you to do that every time. It's you giving it.
It's
like,
because of love.
Yes.
It's the love for your family that you are giving it freely.
Why do you think Filipina or Filipinos date foreigner?
Why do Filipino? Why do Filipina? I don't know. I actually don't know, but maybe because they tend to be interested in someone that is different from them, because that's what it really is. When you're interested to someone, you have the curiosity to get to know that person, and then when you get to know them, you just started to wonder why, and it just goes and goes, and then you started to feel something on that person.
Next is, do you have any expectation from your future husband? Like, how are they going to treat you?
Expectation. Like expectation. Maybe I don't have much, but I think the only thing that I have expect, and as it should always be, it's part of it. It should be there. It should be. You should treat someone with respect, love, compassion to your wife. That's it. Or
That's
to your relationship, whoever your partner will be.
Yeah, and I also believe that if you really love the person, it just go. It's natural, right?
Yeah, it's natural. You don't have to expect anything because they give it to you freely.
Perfect. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so what can you say about foreigners that are moving here in the Philippines, looking for for a partner, for a wife or husband?
Yeah, it's actually kind of new, because knowing someone really has to fly or really has to go somewhere part of the world just to meet their wife. I don't know, but maybe just do whatever you want. Just whatever makes you happy without hurting anyone. Go.
True.
Whatever your heart wants to do.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. But yeah, I agree with you in that. That's very beautiful to say. What makes you happy, right?
Yeah, whatever makes you happy, go. If you're ready, go for it.
Choose happiness.
Choose happiness always.
Yes. And I heard, from a lot of people, even on YouTube, Facebook, and everything, social media, foreigners really like to travel here because Filipino are more like, loving person. They care,
Yeah,
they care so much.
Filipina are like, they're loving, they're caring, they're sweet, and like a traditional Filipino woman, like they love to take care of their family. They love to, like our mother always do. Right? My mom is such a caring, sweet, and he always put his priority over her family. he always choose our family. Maybe that's why I admire my mom for being so strong. Like, I don't know, I really don't know where her strength coming from, because if I would be the one in her shoe, I don't know if I can make it up until at this age. At her age. Yeah.
I think you have to try so you can say, right? So she could give us the answer right now.
I could try. Maybe when the right time comes, I'm not sure.
Yeah, she's not really like looking right now, you know, for her future husband or for her future boyfriend, you know. But just like what she told me before, that if the person comes, you know,
Yes.
only times could tell. Just
Yeah.
like what she said earlier.
Yeah, only time could tell, because we can never say when or who or when will be that person just appear in the front of the door and knock. And we're just start your family. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see.
Whoever
I'm always been like going on the flow. Let's see. It is what it is.
Yes. Okay, whoever that person is, okay, or would be, he's gonna be so lucky.
Oh.
Yes. Riza he's the sweetest, like, you know, he's a very good person. He has a big heart as well. Mm-hmm.
My God.
Again, I'm not selling her. we were joking earlier. She was like, "Oh, she's teasing me. Oh, you're selling me." I'm not.
Because that's what always our friends do. Like whenever they saw me when we having our reunion or something, we just gather out and everyone says, "I'm with my boyfriend and having a kid." Alright, and I'll be just there sitting. Okay, guys, do we have any other conversation? Then the other one will say, "Yeah, I have a friend of mine who's single as well. Would you want to meet him?" No. Okay.
The end of the story.
No, just give it that way.
Yeah, I think most of the, you know, our friends,
Yeah, they
our
have their-
circle of friends, they're married, they have kids like that,
Yeah.
and you're the alone one. Like,
Yeah, I'm even single.
Yeah, she's single. She's been single for a long time. How many years?
Like the past relationship, like the serious one. I think that's college. Even when I was graduated college,
Like 5 to 6 years, right?
5 years.
5 years. That's
And that was my first boyfriend.
wow. So, yep. Wow. So do you have questions, guys? You can comment down below. We are going to answer those. And for those who likes to ask her number, her
My God.
Facebook, email us.
No, now she's not selling me out.
No, but yeah, my husband is coming home this year soon, and then one of his friends might come, so he might ask you on a date. He's probably gonna be watching right now. So say hi. It could be your future husband. You just have to say hi, or maybe someone from the viewer. Right?
So this is a go find me husband. so this is a go find me house on YouTube.
Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. If you have questions, you can comment down below.